Hi guys, it's Storm here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on basically how to make big beachy waves. I'm going to be using this product called Top Styler. I already have it on, they're already heated up. It comes with these 10 clips, and then it has 5 extra ones that I use along the way, so I'll be showing you all that. As you can see, my hair is in the pigtail braids, and from last night, this is how I usually sleep, and let's get the show on the road. Your braids don't have to be perfect when you're putting them in braids at night. It's really just to get the hair out of the way so it doesn't get stuck under your shoulder while you're sleeping, especially if they're longer and older. The extensions are more grown out. So I've got a head start on my waves already because I've had it in the pigtails. So we're going to do this. I'm going to move this middle part of the way. We're going to do this section by section. And the first thing I'm going to put through this whole entire section is a tiny drop of this crack smoother. Here it is. This is just to eliminate frizz that may be still in there from sleeping overnight. I'm using a regular paddle brush because I've already brushed my hair last night with the wet brush through the roots. Alright, so section, this is going to be a bigger section. Probably a good 15 extensions in this. I usually do the ones to my face smaller, so the waves will be smaller. Okay, we're just going to take the whole section, take these 2 fingers, and wrap them around the fingers, away from the face. Okay, I'm going to take the hook and shove it in the middle. Now I've got this whole circle in my hand, see? Don't let it go. Using Keratin 23 spray. Take one of the InStylers, which are heated up for probably about 10 minutes, and clip it right on, that whole thing, so it's in there secure. Next one. 2 fingers. Don't let it go. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. To you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know. Alright guys, this is the final look with all the clips in. I know it looks silly. I'm going to take one last final spray. I took all my bangs, all my little hair up here, as you can see, and I put them in a BB clip. I just rolled it up into a pin curl and put them back. So I'm just going to spray. Not too much, you don't want to make the roller sticky. And I'm going to let this set, because I have time to kill, for like 20 minutes. But you could do 10 or 15 minutes. Pretty much when you feel them cooling down. And then I'll show you what to do when we take them out. Now I'm just running a little bit of crack through. Spraying, lifting as always so I can get more volume. Hey guys, this is the final result from the InStyler tool that I use on my hair to make these beach waves. I let it set for 15 minutes and I use Redken hairspray. And that's it. I washed my hair yesterday. I had it in pigtail braids all night. And I've got this amazing, voluminous ombre line here. So easy to do. So easy to do. You can practice and then you can hashtag East End extensions or glam rock extensions so I can see all the different looks that you guys make and I can give you tips. See ya!